Hi, I'm Anna from WTI. As a small business owner, we are handling different events in a community where we have to store money. So when we found this from the brand Vaultz, beautiful right there, and of course over here it's locked. We found this money bag and it's purposely perfect. Let me show you why. One, I love the print. Makes it super fun, enjoyable. People have complimented it. The second thing, it was easy to set up a lock code. And the third thing we loved was this double tether loop to secure it in place wherever we're at. We clip it to our backpacks and allow it to be secured. Let me show you the inside part and how easy it is to keep it locked in. It comes with this instructions like I mentioned and a safekeeping code down here. All right, so this is my money bag. I love the durable material, weather resistant. So let's say we are at a shop, we get our money, even our keys, and we stuff them in there. Look how easy it is to glide it in. And look at this, the sealing right here. There it is. Now we do use our double hoop to secure it in place. Remember I mentioned that? And there it is, guys. Now you want to open it up, you put your code, and it snaps up. Super easy. If you are in the market for a money bag, or again to keep personal items secure, this is a good option. From the Vaultz company, this is a fun, stylish, fun print that we chose. You guys can choose from other availability. This protection it provides, and again, the ease of how you can set up your lock code. Check them out, guys, and that is my point of view.